of expression is the right to share opinions without censorship, as long as it doesn't cause harm or break the law. It encourages open dialogue with responsibility and respect. Information literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, and use information wisely by verifying sources, identifying misinformation, and applying critical thinking to make informed decisions.
Wala na lang malaman to.
Uy, anong meron? Bakit ang tahimik niyo? Guys? Guys?
Mr. Jersey, come here. I have something to tell you. About to kay Miss Lara since hindi na siya napasok. And I think meron ka kinalaman dito. Meron ka bang hindi sinasabi sa amin? Kasi mga kaklase mo. Ha? You know naman si Miss Lara, mabait siya estudyante, lagi siyang napasok. Lagi siyang nagko-comply. Meron ka ba kasalanan dito, Mr. Jersey? If yes, then you should go and get her. Kasalanan mo to, Mr. Jersey. Kasalanan mo! Kasalanan mo! Sigurado ka bang ginawa niya? Kasalanan mo ha? Tandaan mo yan. Kasalanan mo.
We have the freedom to express our thoughts and share opinions openly, everywhere and anywhere. However, with this freedom comes the responsibility to communicate truthfully. Freedom of expression should be used responsibly by sharing opinions respectfully, while ensuring they do not incite harm or spread false information, which is where information literacy becomes essential.
Kailangan kong itama to. Hindi ko na dapat ginawa yun. This time, dapat maayos na lahat.